How to fix no SIM card problem on Samsung in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this easy step-by-step guide how to fix the no SIM card or emergency calls only problem so you can get your signal back fast. When your phone shows this message, it usually means it can't read the SIM or connect to the network. Most of the time, this is easy to fix. First, turn your phone off. Remove the SIM tray and take out the SIM card. Check that it isn't bent or dirty. Wipe it gently with a dry cloth, place it back correctly in the tray, and turn your phone on. If that doesn't work, restart your phone again. This refreshes the system and often fixes detection issues. Next, check airplane mode. Swipe down and make sure it's off. If it's already off, turn it on for 10 seconds, then turn it off again to force a network reconnect. Now check network settings. Go to Settings, Connections, then Mobile Networks. Tap Network Operators and choose Select Automatically. If it's already on, switch to Manual, pick your carrier, then switch back to Automatic. If the problem is still there, reset network settings. Go to Settings, General Management, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. This won't delete your files, but it will reset Wi-Fi, data, and Bluetooth. Restart your phone after. Next, test your SIM in another phone. If it also shows no signal, your SIM may be damaged or inactive and needs replacement. If it works in another phone, the issue is likely your Samsung. Also, check for software updates in Settings, Software Update, and install any available update. If nothing works, contact your carrier to check your line. If the line is fine, your phone's SIM reader may need repair. Most of the time, this problem is caused by a loose SIM, wrong network setting, or system glitch. Once you clean the SIM, reset the network, and refresh the connection, your signal should come back and your phone should work normally again.